In this video we will show how to connect different charging sources to feed a lithium battery bank.
This test was provided by Hands-On Smart Services LLC, RV and Marine Solutions.
Today we are showing how to connect two battery chargers in parallel to charge 600 amps of lithium. Here we can see that the right charger is charging at 39.5 amps and the second one is charging at the same capacity, 39.6. And here we have the battery monitor connected to the shunt, showing the total of 78.4 amps, charging one battery here and the other one is connected in parallel to the right. We will show also adding a battery to battery charger 60 amp at the same time to see if there is any inconvenience connecting the chargers and also the battery to battery chargers. And I have a solar controller charger with 800 watts of solar that I will also connect in parallel to see if there is something wrong that could happen if we connect all together. After using the two battery chargers connected in parallel to charge the 600 amps lithium battery bank, let's try now connecting the solar panel. This is the thermal breaker to connect the solar charger, and we're gonna see how many amps we'll add to the system. As we can see, the solar charger is connected and we are providing to the system 3 more amps to the total of 84. So the solar now is during the day. We don't have too much sun. It's early morning and we have just 3 amps from solar adding to the total charging capacity. So we have now the 84 amps altogether. So we have 2 chargers and solar panel, 84. And I'm gonna turn on the engine to add the battery to battery charger to the team. As we can see, now the engine is on and the battery to battery charger starts to activate and will provide extra energy now to the charging system. So now we are giving to the bank 125 amps together. So we have the 2 batteries connected in parallel, a solar charger providing 3 amps approximately, the 2 chargers connected in parallel providing around 80 amps together, and the 60 amp, but in reality is producing about 30 or 40 amps. So we have a total of 125 at this time and it's charging properly.